Good morning, everybody. My name is Daniel Perkins, and I'm here to talk to your urban-rural firefighting course today about some critical vocabulary words. I'm going to give you the definition of a critical vocabulary word, the word flashover, and each of you will write out that word, and you will also spell it correctly. By the end of the lesson today, you will all be able to take a short fill-in-the-blank question test, and you will spell that word correctly with 100% accuracy. Why is it important that we use clear, specific language in the fire service? John? Yes, that's exactly right. We must be able to clearly and concisely speak to one another without any question as to what the definition or what it is that we're saying. Here's a small example of a misunderstanding when we don't use clear, specific language. A man telephoned the airline office and asked, "How long does it take to fly to Boston?" The clerk said, "Just a minute." On the other end of the phone, the clerk heard, "Thank you." And the man hung up. Obviously, there was a misunderstanding. They had not used clear, specific language to get their message across. This is why, when we use critical vocabulary, we must know how to spell it correctly, we must know its definition, and we must know how it's used. So that we can do that, I'm going to put the word up on the board. Our word is flashover. Its definition is, as you see it here, a phenomenon that occurs when all materials in a closed environment reach their auto-ignition temperature and ignite simultaneously. Let's spell the word flashover. F-L-A-S-H-O-V-E-R. Flashover. Now, Rachel, can you spell flashover for me? F-L-A-S-H-O-V-E-R. Very good, very good. We should all know how to spell the word correctly and speak it correctly, so there's no misunderstanding as to what it is we're actually talking about. I want all of you to pull out your notepads, and I want you to write the word flashover. And as we're doing that, I'm going to give you, again, the definition of it. And then right after that, we're going to take our short fill-in-the-blank test questions, or test, where you're going to have to get 100%. And to do that, all you need to do is spell the word flashover correctly. So let's practice one more time. I want you to write out the word flashover. Spell it with me. F-L-A-S-H-O-V-E-R. Very good. Very good. Now again, we've used clear, specific language to communicate an idea and to give the definition of a word that is critical in the occupation of being a firefighter. Flashover. A phenomenon that occurs when all materials in the closed environment reach their auto-ignition temperature and ignite simultaneously.